Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, or EC2, offers three main pricing models to help you optimize costs based on your workload requirements. Understanding these pricing options is essential for managing your cloud infrastructure budget effectively. In this video, we'll explore on-demand, reserved, and spot instances, along with strategies to minimize your compute costs. On-demand instances are the most flexible pricing option available. You pay for compute capacity by the second or hour with no long-term commitments required. You can launch and terminate instances whenever you need them, making them ideal for unpredictable or irregular workloads. However, this flexibility comes at a cost. On-demand instances have the highest hourly rate among all pricing models, so they're best suited for short-term projects, development, and testing environments. Reserved instances offer significant cost savings in exchange for a commitment. You reserve capacity for either 1 year or 3 years, and in return, you receive discounts of up to 75% compared to on-demand pricing. This model is perfect for steady-state workloads like production databases or applications that run continuously. You have 3 payment options: all upfront, partial upfront, or no upfront payment. The more you pay upfront, the greater your discount. There are 3 types of reserved instances to choose from. Standard reserved instances provide the maximum discount, but don't allow you to change instance attributes like instance type or region. Convertible reserved instances offer a lower discount, but give you the flexibility to change instance types and other attributes during the term. Scheduled reserved instances let you reserve capacity for specific time windows, which is useful for workloads that run on a predictable schedule. Spot instances let you bid on unused EC2 capacity at steep discounts. You can save up to 90% compared to on-demand pricing, making them the most cost-effective option. However, there's a trade-off. AWS can reclaim your spot instance with only a 2-minute warning when they need the capacity back. This makes spot instances ideal for fault-tolerant and flexible workloads like batch processing, data analysis, and stateless applications that can handle interruptions. Let's compare the 3 pricing models. On-demand instances represent the base price at 100% cost. Reserved instances offer savings of 25 to 75% depending on your commitment and payment option. Spot instances provide the maximum savings, costing as little as 10% of the on-demand price. The key is choosing the right model based on your workload characteristics and tolerance for interruption. Each pricing model has specific use cases where it excels. On-demand instances are best for development environments, testing, and short-term projects where you need full control. Reserved instances are ideal for production databases and long-running applications with predictable usage patterns. Spot instances work well for batch processing jobs, data analysis tasks, and any stateless workload that can tolerate interruptions without impacting your business operations. To achieve optimal cost efficiency, combine multiple pricing models strategically. Use reserved instances to cover your baseline capacity that runs continuously. Add spot instances for flexible, fault-tolerant workloads to maximize savings. Fill in the gaps with on-demand instances for unpredictable spikes or short-term needs. Continuously monitor your usage patterns and right-size your instances to ensure you're not paying for more capacity than you need. This hybrid approach can dramatically reduce your overall EC2 costs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.